Another crazy statistics, just in Minnesota, not anywhere in the world. I can just imagine the statistic in the world. Just within the metro area of Minnesota, there's about 30,000 single Somali mothers, single mothers, which is a ridiculous number. But at the same
cute. A lot of you man will think this is a true statistic, but it's not a real statistic because the single mothers that's registered in the government, they're not actually single mother. You know, nin bay haystaan, laakiin dowladda waxay sheegayaan, oh, anigu single baan ahay, nin ma haysto, what do you call it? I need a support. So this is spousal support, man. Like, this is a hustle. A lot of Somali hoyas do is to get benefits. You understand? So waxa weeyaan, waxay sheegayaan dowladda, yo, I don't have a freaking no job, no nothing. Then guri bilaash bay ku siinayaan, so subsidizing housing. Caruurtaada lacag bay siinayaan, and then husbandkaaga ba shaqay. Adiguna hoos ba shaqaysanaysaa, laakiin dowladda waxba ma sheegaysid. So ampo ma bixinaysid. For the ampo to be low and just to get ahead. Why you think so many single Somali hoy? Why kulligooda gaari jidid bay wadaan? We call guri. And they just do day-to-day shopping, business here, business there. Qurbaha marka joogtid, you have to work smart. You don't work hard. The more you work, ampogaaga kor buu kacaya. Kasta dowladda u sheegaysa, you have this much lacag, have this much. Yeah, dowladda u sheeg, yeah, you know, like intaas ba isoo galaya. But at the same time, keep it so that I think you have more of the benefit. Caruurtaada markay weynaadaan, you can pay for the jam'ad. Spend all your years, that working, and you have nothing. Nah, my nigga, spend your years, take advantage of the dawlad. Horu so'o, bro. Adan people do this shit too. Wallahi, I bear Adans, they do this. Even they will tell you some accounting, they will tell you, listen, dawlad wa hasu shake. Yeah? And then at the same time, collect your freaking la'ag, bro. It's 2025, wallahi. If you're not about your la'ag, then you're really just wasting your time, nigga. Salam alaikum.